I'm Wendy. Welcome back to my channel, Bentley Blonde. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Temu haul. I have some home decor and Christmas items. I knew this was going to happen, you guys. I placed that first order with them and I was like, this is going to become an addiction. And so sure enough, here we are with another Temu haul because I'm addicted. I can't stay off their app. The prices are too good. You know, I just love it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with a couple home decor items that I wanted to share. And the first one is so stinking cute. I was really happy with the quality of this one. So this is like a organizer. I love that it's got like the white scalloped edges, the little gold feet. This looks so chic on the vanity. You just put all of your hair care products in here, your perfume, your makeup, your skincare, whatever you want, and then it's really easy to access everything because it spins. So this is beautiful. Highly recommend checking this out on Temu. Okay guys, the next item that I ordered, I can't even believe that this was on Temu. When I got these, I was like, the quality is incredible. So I'm hoping that these are still in stock. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything in the description box below this video because these are just too good. So this is what the wall sconce looks like when you get it all set up. You can see it has a gorgeous neutral colored canvas shade and then beautiful brass hardware. The gold is perfect. It doesn't look cheap. It looks very high end. Everything is gorgeous. These are exactly what I've been looking for months. I can't believe I found them on Temu. I'm so excited. So it does come with your hardware to wire this directly into the wall. But I think I'm actually going to just attach them with the hanging hardware and then get a rechargeable light bulb that I can just control with a remote. And that way I can easily turn them off and on without having to do all of this electrical business. Like, I don't do this. But I was really happy with these sconces. And like I said, it comes with a set of 2 of these. So if you're gonna order anything from this video, highly recommend these wall sconces. These are so on trend, beautiful, and the quality is exceptional. So the next thing that I ordered from Temu, these are my golden reindeer. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look how cute they are. Ooh, these are even better than I thought they were gonna be. These are adorable. These have a really nice weight to them too. I thought they were gonna be like plasticky, but they're literally metal, so this is super nice. So this is a set of 2 little gold reindeer, perfect for your tiered tray, your foyer table, anywhere you wanna put them. I just think they're super cute. And I've been seeing a lot of decorative reindeer in store, and they're pretty expensive, you guys. Like, reindeer are having a moment. So this is a really great deal on Temu, and these are very nice quality. Next up, oh my gosh, I forgot I ordered these. These are so stinking cute. So this is a set of 4 turkey tea light holders. Stop, they're so cute. So it comes with 2 little turkeys that are standing and 2 little turks that are sitting down. These are gonna be so cute on the table. I can't, you guys. Love the color. They're like a beautiful bronze. They are metal, so they're very sturdy. Oh my gosh. Stop. Here's the 2 little guys that are sitting with their fat little feet out. I love it. So these are going to be adorable with little tea lights in them on our Thanksgiving tablescape. And I will share that with you guys over on my Instagram at Bentley Blonde. So be sure to follow me over there as well. Ooh, yes! It's another one of these really cute little makeup organizers. Again, you have the really pretty, like creamy white fluting on the sides and then the adorable little gold pedestal feet. So gorgeous on the vanity. And this one is for like makeup brushes and things like that. So you can put all of your brushes in here and it does turn so you can easily access everything. Again, this is really nice quality and it's gonna look very chic for an affordable price on your vanity. Okay, so a few more random little cute things because I can't help myself. I got this really cute agate coaster. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. And when I got this, I was like, I wish I had ordered more of these because I apparently only added 1 to my cart. And I wish I had gotten at least 4 because the quality is really good. So you can see it is made out of like a heavy acrylic material, and this is just like a white agate. I don't know if you can really see, but it really looks like a real stone. And then the outer edge here is this beautiful gold. So again, these look very high end, like something you would pick up at Anthropologie, but for a fraction of the price. Oh, cute. So I forgot about this. I ordered these for the boys to make little snowman ornaments, and it is a full bead set. It comes with your twine, And then it also comes with your snowman beads. This set is adorable, you guys. You can head over to their website. I will link it so you can see what these look like when they're complete. That little snowman face, and then it has the bead with the buttons down the front. And then you also have black beads to actually make his little top hat, which is adorable. So you can make, I don't know, looks like maybe 10 ornaments from one set. So that would be a fun little project for the boys, or you could use them for DIY crafting, that kind of thing. But oh, super good deal on these. That's another great thing to pick up at Temu is all of your crafting supplies. They have a ton of unique crafting items, and the prices, you can't beat them at any craft store. Next, I just picked up really simple. This is just an unfinished wood candlestick. I love these. They're great. You can spray paint them, you can paint them, you can stain them, or you can just leave them like this. And I love to order a bunch of different ones and then run them down the center of my table. So I ordered this one just to check out the quality, and it's perfect. So a couple more DIY items. I also picked up this set of wooden Christmas ornaments. Again, it comes with your twine. It comes with all of your wooden ornaments. I believe there are 10 here. There are so many different crafts and DIYs that you can do with these wooden ornaments. You can use Mod Podge and make these photo ornaments. I did that one year with pictures of my boys. I do have a DIY tutorial of that on my YouTube channel. You could also just paint them, make them glittery, string a bunch with some beads and make a gorgeous garland for your mantle. So I always just pick up a lot of cute, like unfinished wood stuff like this for Christmas DIYs. So those ornament balls are adorable. And then I couldn't pass up, they also had some cute little reindeer. And these reindeer are in flight, you guys. So these would be so stinking cute for a garland. And then I also picked up a pack of the snowflakes. So next, I just ordered this pair of earrings. We're really on a reindeer kit, guys, if you haven't noticed. This is the prettiest little pair of gold and cubic zirconia little reindeer. Oh, look how cute they are. See, they're like the perfect size little stud for your ears. They're not over the top. They're just dainty and delicate and super cute for the holidays, so I cannot wait to wear those. So next I got these really cute pack of snowflake decals. I actually ordered 2 because they had 2 different ones. I was just gonna cover our back French door with snowflakes. I thought it'd be fun for the boys to do this too. They love these vinyl decals. This came with a ton. Girl, I could cover my whole house in these things. So 6 sheets in one pack, and these were so affordable, you guys. These would be perfect for a classroom too if you're a teacher and you have windows, or I don't know, would these stick to a whiteboard? Maybe, but I think that they'd be great for DIYs and crafts. They're really pretty, guys. There's so much detail. This one comes with less. It comes with only 2 sheets, but the snowflakes are bigger. Look how big this snowflake is. Let me take it off and show you guys. It's a huge decal. It's so pretty. So anyways, I love these snowflake decals. All right, guys, so that is everything for my newest Temu haul. Be sure to download the app. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna be obsessed. The prices are amazing. It is literally like a treasure hunt every time you go on there. And I am offering you guys a $100 coupon bundle with my code. I will link that down below in the description box as well, and all of the items that I shared with you guys here today. If you're interested in anything, be sure to hop on the app and order them right away. Prices are great, but you definitely have to be quick on the draw with your orders because things go like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye y'all.